In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create this stunning cinematic AR UI artwork using ChatGPT. For this example, I'll be using a portrait image that I found on Pexels. First, I'll upload the image to ChatGPT, then I'll enter a detailed prompt that will generate the final result. Once the prompt is submitted, you'll only need to wait a few seconds for the image to be generated. You can use your own photos and customize the aspect ratio or format to suit your specific needs, whether it's for social media, wallpapers, thumbnails, or creative projects. I'll include the full prompt in the video description so you can easily copy and use it yourself. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tricks, and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching.